Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start the third chapter of Footprints Without Feet. The title of the chapter is The Midnight Visitor. First of all, you should know about the learning outcome of this lesson. In this lesson, you will know that we should calm and composed in difficult times. Second point is we should look and we should understand that looks and appearance may be deceptive. Presence of mind does not depend on looks. Now we should know how many characters are there in the story. There are 3 characters in the story. The main character, most important character of this story is Ausable. Ausable is the central character in the story. He is very fatty man, but he is a spy. He speaks French and German, but he has a sharp and witty mind. He never loses his presence of mind. Second character, he is Max. Max is another secret agent. He tries to take away important documents from Ausable. He enters in Ausable's room. He is thin, tall, crafty, and gullible. He is easily fooled and gives up to trick of Ausable. Now, the third character of this story is Fowler. Fowler is a young romantic writer who is looking for some excitement in the company of a secret agent, and so he comes to meet Ausable. He is shocked at the arrival of a waiter rather than police. He witnessed a moment which was least expected from there. Now let us start the lesson. Ausable, a secret agent, is expecting to get a very important report. Ausable, I have told you that he was a secret agent. He had expected to get a very important report related to some new missiles. Second character, another secret agent who is Max, whose name is Max. He threats Ausable with a pistol. He was taking a pistol in his hand and he demanded Ausable the important report that was coming to Ausable. In this story, Ausable was a secret agent, but he does not look like that. That was the reason, because he was a fatty man. He lived in a room on the 6th floor in a French hotel. Another character, Fowler, who was a writer. He wanted to meet Ausable because he had read that secret agents were very suspicious persons. They had a pistol in their hands. But after meeting Ausable, Fowler was disappointed because he saw that Ausable was a very fatty man, as I told you earlier, and he did not match any detail that Fowler had read in the book about secret agent. Fowler visited Ausable. He told Fowler that he would get an important paper concerning some new missiles. Both of them went in Ausable's room. As Ausable opened the door of his room in the hotel, now Fowler, who was very disappointed to meet Ausable, he got thrilled to find another man in the room. In Ausable's room, he was taking a pistol in his hand. His name was Max. Now Fowler came to know that Max was also a secret agent and he had come in Ausable's room to take the important report related to some new missiles. Ausable handled Max cleverly. He told Max that he would complain to the hotel authorities about the balcony, which should be closed immediately. Max believed him. In the picture, you can see the three characters of the story. The fatty person you are looking, he is Ausable. The person who is standing behind him, he is Fowler. A person who is taking the pistol in his hand, he is Max, another secret agent. And you can see a window in the room. Ausable told Max that there was a balcony outside the window and someone used this balcony a week before. Max believed him. Suddenly, someone knocked at the door. Ausable said it must be police because he had told police to check his room if everything is right. Now, Max, who had come there for a very wrong purpose, he was nervous. There was only two ways to get out of the room. First was the door and second was the window. Outside the door there was police, as Ausable told Max, and outside the window there was balcony. Max tried to hide behind the window and wait in the balcony. So, to save himself from the police, he jumped into the balcony, but he fell down and cried loudly. Now Ausable, who is the central character of the story, he told Fowler that there was no police outside the door but the waiter, whose name was Henry, and who had come with 2 glasses and a bottle of wine. Now Fowler came to know that there was no balcony outside the window. It was a story made up by Ausable to fool Max. This is how Ausable got rid of Max. After this lesson, in the PDF you will find the mind mapping and an activity. First of all, you have to write the summary of the lesson, learning outcomes, word meanings, and then you will read the lesson carefully and do the activity. You have to write the qualities of the characters in the activities. Thank you. बंद कर दिया।